Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a nutritious snack recipe using banana flowers. They are loaded with several vital minerals. If you have diabetes, eating these can be beneficial and it can lower your blood sugar levels. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients to make fritters. Now let's clean the flour. When you open the flour, there are 4 to 5 sticks. Among them, one is stigma, which is very tall with a small round head. Hold it and pull it out. Below that, you can see an oval shaped petal like a polythene sheet. These two should be removed from the flour before cooking. Once you get a hang of it, this work can be done very fast. This goes very dark quickly, so be sure to have a bowl of buttermilk. As soon as you clean the flour, put them in the buttermilk to keep them fresh. Now let's make a batter. For that, into a bowl, add 1 cup of gram flour, also called chickpea flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour. In this I have a tablespoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of carom seeds, 2 pinches of baking soda, half a teaspoon of asafoetida powder, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well before adding water. Add water little by little, mix well without any lumps. Check out the consistency, it should be like this, pouring consistency. Into a pan, add enough oil for frying. Drain the flours well and add them to the batter. Dip them one by one and carefully drop them in the oil. Keep the flame on a medium heat and fry them until light golden color. Fritters are ready, crispy and brown. Remove them from the pan. If you feel difficult to fry them one by one, just take a handful and drop them in like how we used to fry pakodas. Banana flour contains healthy nutrients including protein, fiber, calcium, potassium, magnesium, vitamin E and iron. Regular intake of banana flour can fight against anemia caused by iron deficiency. Try this crispy banana flour fritters and enjoy the health benefits. Do share this recipe with your dear ones and friends, and also drop your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video, and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.